Hey, what's up everyone? If you ever wondered where does all the money from my music actually go, today's video is your complete step-by-step guide to collecting every single royalty you are owed as an independent musician. No label, no problem. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to sign up for, what each royalty means, and how to make sure no money slips through the cracks. So grab a notepad, hit the like button, and let's dive in. Step 1. Performance rights. Get paid when your music is played in public. Whenever your song is performed in public, on radio, TV, streaming, or live shows, you will earn performance royalties. To collect these, sign up with a performance right organization, or PRO. Examples include ASCAP or BMI in the US, PRS in the UK, and STEMRA in the Netherlands, or the local PRO in your own country. These organizations issue licenses to radio stations and streaming platforms so they can legally play your music. Once you are registered, they will track performances and send you your royalties. A pro tip: if you're in the US and don't have a publisher, register as both the songwriter and the publisher. That's how you will collect both halves of your performance royalties. Step 2. Mechanical royalties. Get paid when your song is reproduced. Mechanical royalties are earned whenever your song is reproduced or copied, on CDs, downloads, or even streams. But this works differently depending on where you live. In the US, for physical sales and downloads, sign up with the Harry Fox Agency, or the HFA. For streaming mechanicals, register with the MLC, the Mechanical Licensing Collective. The MLC collects from streaming platforms like Spotify and Apple Music, but only for US streams. For international mechanicals, work with a foreign publisher or collecting agency to handle that part. Outside the US, so the rest of the world, it's much simpler. Every country has one main agency that collects mechanical royalties for everyone. In the Netherlands, for example, it's called STEMRA. They collect a percentage, usually around 8 to 9%, of the wholesale price for streaming platforms, and pay it out to songwriters and publishers automatically with the performance royalties. Step 3. Sync rights. Get paid when your music is used in TV, film, or ads. Next up is sync licensing. This is when your song is used in movies, TV shows, commercials, or games. These can be huge paydays and great exposure. But most music supervisors only work with sync agencies, not individual artists. So reach out to sync agencies in your country. Submit your catalog and find out who's the best fit for your genre and sound. Once your song gets placed, you will earn an upfront sync fee plus ongoing royalties every time it is aired. Step 4. Neighbouring rights. Get paid for your recordings being played in public. These are often called the artist performance royalties, aka the performance royalties for the master side. They apply to the sound recording and not the songwriting. In the US, sign up with SoundExchange. They collect royalties from non-interactive digital radio, like Pandora, SiriusXM, or iHeartRadio. That means streaming services you can't control, not Spotify or Apple Music. Those are interactive platforms. Outside the US, neighboring rights are collected for both digital and normal FM radio, even for masters played in bars, restaurants, and gyms. Each country has its own collection society, for example SENA in the Netherlands. Look up the organization for your neighboring rights in your country. Typically, 45% goes to the artist, 50% to the label, and 5% to a session musician fund. So make sure you are registered with your local neighboring rights organization or you are missing out on a huge income stream. Step 5. Recording revenue. Get paid for streams, sales, and downloads. Finally, let's talk about the most direct source of money: recording revenue. This is what you earn from streaming and sales of the master. If you're an independent artist, your distributor like DistroKid, CD Baby, TuneCore, or Fuga collects this money for you directly from Spotify or Apple Music. They send you payments and reports, usually monthly. If you're signed to a label, they collect the revenue from the distributor and pay your artist royalties, usually quarterly or twice a year, based on your contract. A pro tip is this: always check your royalty statements carefully. Labels and distributors sometimes make reporting errors, and you don't want to leave money unclaimed. Here's a bonus step: go global. If you're already earning in one country, you might be missing out overseas. Join global collection networks or use administrators like Songtrust or Centric Music Publishing. They will help you collect from dozens of countries without needing to sign up with each organization manually. Let's quickly recap the 5 steps to collect all your music money. 1. Sign up with a PRO for performance royalties for the publishing side. 2. Register with the MLC or Harry Fox Agency and your local mechanical agency for mechanicals. 3. Work with a sync agency for film and TV placements. 4. Join SoundExchange or your local neighboring rights organization for neighboring rights royalties. And 5. Use a distributor for your streaming and sales revenue. And don't forget, if you're serious about turning your music into a business, treat it like one. Register all your tracks and songs, track your earnings, and stay organized. Every stream, every play, and every download counts. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more music business tips, and check out all my other videos linked below about the music business. Until next time, keep creating, keep collecting, and keep owning your music.